Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't do this, I didn't do that, but can you help me?
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's a hard place to start from any change.
Yeah, I had that happen to me recently. I got an email and a trader literally expressed that this trader broke every single rule, didn't follow, didn't do what I said, and now I should help them. But they have to help themselves, right? That's the key. There's only so much that any coach can do in this industry.
Right.
If you don't help yourself, and again, this is performance. How many athletes do you know? Out of all the people that want to be a baseball player, how many truly succeed and make a career out of it?
Yeah, very few. It's lonely at the top for sure.
Yeah, and that's really, trading is similar to that because it is performance, and you have to be, again, you have to be trained properly. You can have 1,000 people trained improperly, and they're going to fail. But if you take that same 1,000 people and you train them properly, and you're giving them a strategy that really works, they've mastered the strategy, but yet some are just not going to be successful because of that mindset. That's a really key point, is the mindset. And that's when you got to take a hard look at yourself and say, why am I not worth it?